Did you know that a simple glass of beetroot juice could hold the key to balancing your hormones? It sounds incredible, but this unassuming root vegetable packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting hormonal harmony. Beetroot, with its vibrant hue and earthy flavor, is a nutritional powerhouse, brimming with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But its true magic lies in its ability to influence our hormones, those tiny chemical messengers that govern so many bodily functions. From regulating stress to boosting energy levels, beetroot juice offers a natural and delicious way to support hormonal balance. Intrigued? Let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of beetroot juice and uncover the science behind its hormone-harmonizing properties. The secret to beetroot juice's hormonal prowess lies in its high concentration of nitrates. These naturally occurring compounds, when consumed, are converted into nitric oxide within our bodies. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in numerous physiological processes, including blood flow regulation, cellular communication, and, you guessed it, hormone production. Nitric oxide acts as a vasodilator, which means it relaxes and widens blood vessels. This enhanced blood flow translates to improved circulation, allowing hormones to travel more efficiently throughout the body, reaching their target cells and organs with ease. This enhanced delivery system ensures that hormones can exert their effects optimally, contributing to overall hormonal equilibrium. One of the most well-documented benefits of beetroot juice is its ability to lower blood pressure. This effect is directly linked to its nitrate content and the subsequent increase in nitric oxide. By relaxing blood vessels, beetroot juice reduces the strain on the cardiovascular system, leading to a reduction in blood pressure. This benefit is particularly significant for individuals struggling with hormonal imbalances, as high blood pressure can exacerbate symptoms and disrupt hormone production. But the benefits don't stop there. Beetroot juice has also been shown to positively impact insulin sensitivity, a key factor in regulating blood sugar levels and preventing insulin resistance. This is welcome news for individuals with polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS, a hormonal disorder often associated with insulin resistance. By improving insulin sensitivity, beetroot juice may help regulate menstrual cycles, reduce acne, and alleviate other PCOS symptoms. Section 4. Easy beetroot boosts. Incorporating beetroot juice into your daily routine is surprisingly simple. You can find fresh beetroot juice at most health food stores or juice bars. Alternatively, juicing beets at home is a breeze with a good quality juicer. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to assess your tolerance. If you're not a fan of the earthy flavor, you can mix beetroot juice with other fruits and vegetables to create delicious and nutritious smoothies. Apple, carrot, ginger, and lemon are all great additions that complement the flavor of beetroot. You can also add a tablespoon of beetroot powder to smoothies, yogurt, or even baked goods for a concentrated dose of nutrients. Section 5. The beet goes on. A fun fact. Here's a fun fact to beet leave. The color of beetroot can actually change depending on the soil it's grown in. Beets thrive in slightly acidic soil, and the pigment responsible for their vibrant hue, called betanin, is affected by the pH level of the soil. So if you've ever noticed variations in the color of your beets, it could be due to the soil conditions they were grown in. Incorporating beetroot juice into your diet is a simple yet powerful step you can take to support your hormonal health. From balancing blood pressure to improving insulin sensitivity, this humble root vegetable offers a wealth of benefits. So raise a glass to beetroot juice and embrace the power of nature's hormone helper.